stars shine bright. Radio's blasting that old outlaw sound. Windows rolled low as we roll through town. Got my boots on the dash, you're laughing along, singing every word to our favorite song. Life feels simple, life feels right. Riding in my truck with you tonight. Riding in my truck down a two-lane road. Headlights cutting through the midnight glow. Every mile we drive, it's a brand new scene. You and me living out a small town dream. Dust kicks up, but I don't give a damn. Riding in my truck with you hand in hand. Couple cold beers, stories getting louder with every cheer. Moonlight dancing on your sun-kissed skin. That country smile pulling me right back in. The world slows down when you're riding along. The hum of the tires is our favorite song. Don't need much, just the stars above and a front seat full of the one I love. Riding in my truck down a two-lane road. Headlights cutting through the midnight glow. Every mile we drive, it's a brand new scene. You and me living out a small town dream. Dust kicks up, but I don't give a damn. Riding in my truck with you hand in hand. Doesn't matter where we go, as long as it's you beside me though. From the gravel roads to the city lights, I just want you riding with me tonight. Chasing time away, every little heartbeat finds its place. From the back roads wild to the edge of town, I'm the richest man when you're around. Dust kicks up, but I don't give a damn. Riding in my truck with you hand in hand.